Welcome back. Farmers of Curtorim are agitated as they are not supplied fertilizers from Zuari Agro Industries. Curtorim MLA Alex Reginald has threatened to hit the streets if the farmers are not provided fertilizers. Reginald also said that he would expose the misuse of government land by Zuari officials.
अवेलेबल करून दिवपा जाय शेतान ना जाल्यार आमी खंय तरी मुखार वचून स्ट्रायक बी करतले आनी आमी 30 तारीख लास्ट डेट दिले आमगेले जे बजेटाक प्रोविजन केल्ले सपोर्ट प्रायसाचे गेले ते 12-13 बजेटाक प्रोविजन आहा पॅडी सपोर्ट अजून आमकां दिले ना झोनल एग्रीकल्चराक गेल्यार तो म्हणटा फंड्स ना इन रिटर्न दी म्हणल्यार तोय दिना आमी करपाक कितें
We will fight with the government, no issue. And Zuari agrochemicals, if it doesn't give me, हांव इपट असेंब्ली दाखयता ते कोण तो कित्याक तेणी हितून लँड गेलो हा गोवा गव्हर्मेंटा कडेन ते लँड यूज करनाय आनी आतां ते लँडान आमगे थोडे पॉलिटिशियनान दोन ते आपणे आनी जाय तें करूं सोदताय आय वील टीच देम अ लेसन इन दीस असेंब्ली दॅट टू इन द इंट्रस्ट ऑफ शेतकार नॉट फॉर माय इंट्रस्ट.
Ponda police have finally arrested that unknown accused lady in connection with the sex racket busted on 31st December at Varkhand area in Ponda. Police have arrested one Pooja alias Pinky alias Smita from Margaon and have also rescued another girl. Another suspect Babu is still at large.
Ponda police is on the verge of cracking a prostitution racket run from Margaon by a lady called Pooja alias Pinky. Police have also rescued a girl who is now being shifted to Apnaghar in Mirses. Accused lady Pooja is a native of Mumbai residing at Davarli, Madgaon. She has been taken into 3 days police custody.
तेजे उपरांत मागीर आमी इन्वेस्टिगेशन करून एक बायल एक तिचें नांव पुजा एलियास स्मिता अशें तिका आमी ते मडगांव एका फ्लॅटाचेर रेड मारली तेन्ना तितून आनी एक चली आसली सो त्या चलयेचो स्टेटमेंट आमी एनजीओ फुडें घेतलो तेन्ना कळ्ळें की ती बायल ह्या सगळ्या चेडवांक यूज करताली म्हणून फॉर द पर्पज ऑफ प्रोस्टिट्यूशन आनी तिका अरेस्ट केलें आमी आनी त्या चलयेक रेस्क्यू करून आपल्या घरांत धाडलें आनी आजून कांय लोक हितून इनवॉल्व आसा रॅकेटान सो तेंचो सोद चालू आसा.
कितली वर्सां जातली ती हांगा गोंयांत जावन
लास्ट ती सांगता 2 वर्सां जातली म्हणून आय डावट तिका सगळे एरिया खबर आहा पूण त्या फ्लॅटार ती लास्ट 2 वर्सां ते काम करताली.
आनी सप्लाय तांकां खंयच्यान जातली जावं चेडवा जावं अशी
ती बॉम्बेच्यान पुनाच्यान अशें दोनी कडल्यान येताली चेडवां म्हणून एवरी 15 days कॉन्ट्रॅक्टाचेर तांकां हाडप आनी मागीर 15 days जाले उपरांत तांकां धाडप.
A reporter from Ponda, Vivek Prabhu.
Video conferencing with Collector of South Goa received good response in South Goa. The video conferencing technique to solve the grievances of locals was on a hold for a while. It has resumed now. The initiative is taken to solve basic necessities of a common man.
The video conferencing technique has been started again. It started with 5 talukas in South Goa. This initiative is to bring their grievances before the collector. The 5 talukas which participated are Darbandara, which received 10 complaints, Sange with 4 complaints, Kepe 5 complaints, Salset 4 complaints and Kankon with no complaints yet. People will have to attend the meeting with the collector every Friday through its respective mamladars in every taluka.
Response is good. People are not aware. Once they come to know the system, there may be more grievances. And main thing, grievances is not important. Important how we are redressing the war. So when the redressal is started faster, I think that automatically public will start coming.
The video conferencing was held at Mamladar's office in Kepe Taluka.
Basic necessity. We are giving, but it should be done in a proper way and legal way. It is unauthorized, and they take to granted. एका लागून ह्या रिजनाला कोण आयकोना तेका लागून आमी पकडना.
लोकांक जायते त्रास जाता हिंगा गव्हर्मेंट ऑफिसान गेले जाल्यार आनी चड करून जायते गव्हर्मेंट ऑफिसांनी लोकांक सोतायताय आनी त्या लोकांच्यान आतां डायरेक्टली हिंगा मामलेदार ऑफिसान येवन कलेक्टरा मुखार आपली प्रॉब्लेम मांडपा जाता आनी ते प्रॉब्लेम कलेक्टरान ट्राय केल्या तितले थिंगा जाग्यार सॉल्व करपाचें.
Reporters Mayur Naik and Samir Bhatt for Prudent.
Let's take another short break. Stay tuned.